What's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna be throwing the old kicker sound system in the truck. Gotta have the tow rig sounding nice.
Yeah.
What's up, my dude?
What up?
So we got a 12 we're gonna throw in. Got the box. We got the 6x9s and then the 6.5s for the doors. We just finished up one door speaker. And we got the wiring done for the amp. So we're gonna throw the amp right here behind the storage area under the back seat. So Memphis amp. And right now we're just finishing up wiring everything. Run the power cable. I'll keep you guys updated. You know, gotta have the tow rig sounding nice. So after you take the door panel off, pop out this speaker. We'll throw in the 6x9. It fits pretty good in there. Wire it up, and then we'll throw the panel back on. Easy day. Got the old speaker out. And then cut the clip. And then we'll wire in the new wire for the new speaker. Easy day. Got the 6x9 on there. And Eric got the fucking power wire ran. Right through there. Cut a little hole in the boot. And then we'll end up tucking the power wire under the kick panels and everything. Have it be a cleaner install. Trying to have it look decent. Sheesh. Oh. Door panel just fell. Hell yeah. Door back on. It's pretty good in there. I was surprised. Just better throw the window switch back on. This door will be set. Just continue on. Sheesh. Power wires all set up. Got all the doors back on, all the door speakers back in. Center console's back together. Just finishing up the last part of the amp wiring to the sub. And it should be good to go. Oh man, got sunburnt.
Yeah.
Whew. Yes, sir. It's a hot ass day out. But I'm glad to finally get this thing done. Been wanting to get it done for a while, so. Ooh, she's just about ready. Just about ready. Can't wait. And this is it. The install is done. Don't mind the tub of stuff over there. Got to throw that in storage, but pretty clean. I'm pretty happy with it. Hits pretty hard. Got the bass knob adjuster down there. Everything running up through there. But overall, it looks good. I like it.